Me don't know what them a pre-bout. Akeynote, can't press me like remote. Them say them are clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose my faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
Well, blessed love, guys, blessed love. You know the thing, welcome to Kino life in Jamaica. I know the thing we're here. So yes, guys, so I'm gonna start the video with this way, with like making announcement to make you guys know that you know I'll be heading back to Jamaica very soon. You know, so you know the disaster that take place down there as well, to say, you know, I'll be going back to helping out, giving my help where the help is needed. You know, so come to saying that, you know, we have organized a GoFundMe, you know, between me and Christmas list. You know, been organized a GoFundMe to see what we can get to provide to the people and that's in need down there because of the disaster. You know, so we and Chris spoke, you know, and Chris is gonna reach out, you know, to his audience, them to go and support the cause, you know, and with also giving Daddy Irie as well too, you know, Daddy Irie from over by Elcha, you know, been affected as well too, so he will also get a percentage of the GoFundMe to help out his situation. And we will be targeting family. We'll try to giving them food and try to see if we can provide materials and in such where, you know, a lot of family like their roofing back to get fixed and everything. So our aim is to like we can help a family, you know, one step at a time, you know, to give them materials also, you know, to get them zinc and boards and what they're gonna need to fix back their roof or windows. So with this GoFundMe, you know, this is what the aim is, to try to help out who's affected down there, you know, in Jamaica. So we will try our best, and I know that this journey is not going to be easy, but we're going to make sure so we do the right thing by helping out our fellow Jamaicans, our brothers, our sisters, you know, because what happened, trust me, no one wants to be going through this situation at any given time. And what we see Jamaica is going through right now, it's so heartfelt, you know, as what I say, guys, I'm so far away, but yet when I see the happenings and see the videos of what's taking place down there, it's really sad to know that we're facing this, you know, because most part is like you can't even recognize what the place is anymore, you know, because of what taking place. So we want to come together, you know, and try to give the support where the support is needed, you know. So we have to also do our part, you know, because a lot of people have been reaching out, but because I'm not there, I cannot do anything as yet, you know. So we're here, we try to organize some stuff as well to send off. You're gonna also see that as well in the video. So with that, guys, as I said, the GoFundMe, the link will be in the description. You know, you can go and check it out. You know, you can share it and tell a friend, you know, no matter how small it is, you know, we give a thanks, you know, and can go a long way. So as I say, let's try to help each other, you know, let's help someone that's down to put them back on them feet, because they can see the situation on a disaster and everything that take place. So also big up the Christmas list, you know, for reaching out and say, Kino, we're gonna do this because the help is really needed, you know. So big up yourself, Christmas list. And guys, I said the link is in the description. Give anything that you can, no matter how small it is. We give thanks, and if you cannot give, we're asking you for your prayers, you know, and your blessings, and we're gonna need the strength to carry on this journey, because trust me, it's a marathon. This one is going to take some time, but we're going to take our time and give our help where the help we need. So nothing but love and love alone, because we all one. We out of many one people. Dream team, one team. So let's get to the video right now. So blessed love, guys. I hope you're having a wonderful day anywhere you are. Big up yourself.
So, Kino, what you do here now? What you do here now?
What I'm doing?
Yeah, no, yeah, what you do? How you do it here?
I'm good. As I say, we'll wrap up cool. Cool. Well, guys, well. So, guys, I just arrived here at the Jamaica Canadian Center.
How many?
Kino! Oh my God! Look at my phone. Yo, this is Sherry. Chef Sherry. I'm with Kino in Canada, guys. Hey! Alright. Oh my God. I'm gonna get my channel. So tomorrow, is that your auntie?
No, she's left.
Oh, hello. Anyways, I saw you guys walking the back to Brampton.
Okay.
Yeah. So, Kino, how are you enjoying Canada?
That's good so far.
You see how everybody dressed up in winter clothing, right? Because tonight is the first cold night. Guys, we at the JCA. It's a fundraising for the flood in Jamaica. Come out, donate, and then Kino gonna be at Remo's tomorrow night. Alright. Wait till I have to get my channel out.
Yeah.
Yes, Kino, wait. Oh my
Guys,
God.
people rolling in.
Yes, you should
Them
see.
support.
Oh, there's like a madhouse in parking. Yeah, it's crazy. Okay.
Okay, big up.
So we watch your show, ask him. He's like, you watching Jamaica YouTubers again? I live on you guys.
You watch mine? Yeah. Okay, so go.
When you're going at my house, can't bury them.
They're alright.
They're good?
Yeah.
Oh, I love that family so bad.
Right, that's right there. Information right there.
You know that it's the coolest night for the month. Since summer. You're brave. You get it? Yeah, from my being to Canada 42 years, I never went down in that boat.
Never?
Never ever.
It's nice though.
Yeah, you're brave. I told him, I say you're brave.
You should experience it.
Not me, I go to the falls, but not the
Send me
boat.
that as well and on the WhatsApp, yeah?
Take his number too, Michael.
Hello.
I told you anonymous would come.
You're anonymous. You're anonymous, guys. Anonymous is here. So blessed love.
Oh, okay. So Grace is not here yet?
She's not here yet.
Oh my goodness. And I'm coming from Brampton with the traffic. Naisha,
Not so bad.
remember who I was telling you when I went to Jamaica? This is my coworker.
Hello, co-worker.
Take it. Let me get my ticket.
Okay.
You okay? Dream team.
Dream team, yes.
Yeah, the dream team.
The guys, them.
Yeah.
And then the nurses in Florida. Sunrise team. They're going down this month. What date?
The 28th.
Oh, we were supposed to go for Christmas, but he want to go Nova Scotia.
Okay.
Yeah.
Understandable. I understand.
But enjoy tonight.
I will.
All right.
Thank you. General. Big up. Yeah. And now,
I was telling her when I came back that when I brought this stuff for Canberra, how I met you. I called her when I was out there, and I was like, you need to meet him and bring some stuff.
yeah, exactly. How is this? How is this then?
I don't know. I was gonna ask. Oh, that is nice. They came to support you.
Yeah.
Who is he? Oh. But they should at least say the king. So why they should tell us?
They should have.
Tell us that.
Oh, one of so I guess that's one of Ghana king themselves apparently just rode in the everything goes there. So I'm here early. Same many of the people rolling car park outside as well too. Very packed. So I guess a lot of people to give them support to help with the aid of Jamaica. I'm good.
Sandra, I watch your show all the time.
Thank you so much.
I like cranberry. And no, but I don't like cranberry. Like I like
Nana,
the one in the middle.
Nana, right?
Yeah.
And Tara.
I want to adopt Nana.
Yeah?
Yes, I really do.
All right, I want to see
I
them.
really do want to adopt. Tell her I want to adopt her.
Tell her.
Nana, I want to adopt you.
All right.
And take you to Canada.
All right.
And make you be something good for your family.
Of course.
And come back every summer.
Yeah. All right. Hello. Right. Take care, Maria. Take care.
Hi! Kino, look who is here! Kino, live from Jamaica, in Canada.
Here in the building.
Yeah, Canada strong, Jamaica strong. Just hold the faith. We're doing what we have to do to make sure that you guys are good. We're doing our part here, so just stay strong. We're coming home.
So you're not going to speak out of chicken.
Coming back. Are you performing?
No.
You're not performing? Okay, but you still can. Lovely to see you.
Come on then. Say anything you want to say for Jamaica right now.
Well, Cranberry, I'll be seeing you soon. Maybe next one. But for sure, next summer I'll be in Jamaica.
Stay strong, Jamaica. Our prayers are with you. We're always thinking about you. One love.
Nothing but love.
Can I see your...
You dropped them off already?
Of course, if we have good yeah, man. We can.
Hello.
Who's that? Where you going from?
You know, they want that thing in Jamaica.
I'm here, but I can't.
We dropped off our stuff and we love Jamaica. We're going to come back strong again.
I would never believe I would see you. I didn't recognize you.
You're so tall.
Big up Kino.
I believe I'm here.
You're here.
She's in Poland.
Is in Portland?
Poland.
You were in Jamaica when this time broke?
I literally left like a couple days before.
Me too, about 2 days.
2 days. Leave the
No, a week
Friday.
before you left.
Leave the Friday. Leave the Tuesday. So. Huh? No, I'm going back soon.
No, but I mean like,
She had to see you
Yes. Probably true now what so much thing that pop up, that's why in the feed. But check and you see. You don't know what I'm here.
okay.
Yeah? Yes. Oh yes, remember that picture.
Remember this picture I was showing it to her?
See that?
I know how many.
Everybody see your face up on TV or second.
Not all of the shoes. The shoes. Yeah. Guys, the people always say my time was the shoes are inches. So the inches of the shoes get height again. Yeah, the inches. Not that tall, man. Oh gosh. Them are being the Minnesota.
Wow, that's a one.
Yeah.
You tell me we don't have something that don't have a Mexico.
Alright, Jamaica. Where? Okay.
Yeah.
Jamaica.
Of River Black Creek, always present at the JC. And is also, he got caught on the 401. We know the 401 at this time. And so he'll be here, and so we are going to move to greeting from King Nana Yaso. Put your hands together for King Nana Yaso.
Kino, you find yourself here, so.
Yeah, I find myself here.
Nice to see you. You really are taller in
No, I'm not
person.
tall. I'm a shoes. Everybody said I'm tall. I'm a shoes.
Wait.
No, but you really are short, though.
Whatever. Come down and hug me.
Are you gonna come? Okay.
Nice to see you.
Big up yourself.
Thank you.
And now, somebody first is going to speak. Ladies and gentlemen, King. Thank you very much. I believe last time when I came here,
King of Ghana.
I brought greetings from Canada to you all. And I said we should all do our best in helping the community. And this is exactly what we are doing. And I'm happy to see our High Commission and then the Consul General and the dignitaries here. Thank you. When we all hear the name Melissa, what comes through mind is a lady, a woman. But this time it's a disaster. That is very bad. Your Excellencies, honored guests, esteemed ladies and gentlemen, dear friends, today we gather for a purpose that transcends borders and cultures to stand in solidarity with the people of Jamaica in the wake of Hurricane Melissa, and to lend our support to the relief and rebuilding that lies ahead. First, I offer heartfelt condolence to all who have suffered loss in moments of hardship. We are reminded of the strength that unity brings. We are here not to distance observers, but as a global family, bound by compassion, strength, and this shared belief that hope can rise from rubble and the rains. To the brave emergency responders, volunteers, and humanitarian workers on the ground, our gratitude knows no bound. Your courage, dedication, and tireless effort, and the signal that guides communities back to safety and dignity. To the generous sponsors, artists, community leaders, and all who have contributed to this relief effort, thank you for turning concern into act of care. Your contributions will help provide shelter, nourishment, medical care, and the essential services that restore normalcy to so many lives. To the people of Jamaica and to everyone affected by this disaster, you are not alone. We are with you, especially.
If you never watch upon this thing all the time, you wouldn't know say
I will not speak much, but I will see
if you need any excess package, forget preferential tattoo. My name Orville, but I can watch you all the time with D and Mara and all them man.
I'm tell you so we can talk then.
So if you want that preferential link up, up on the side I take care of the VIP. You don't know me yet, but my name is Orville, but I know you just from YouTube. So if you come straight up to the side, where the VIP side is, I guess I'm there. Originally the name they look like Chucky to blows, but from Rosa. So, but do you think, and if you need that name, right?
Yeah man, we're gonna need it.
Find me up right now. I know you don't know me, but let me see your face, my record.
We're gonna need it.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm coming to the end of my segment. There are four MCs for tonight.
Thank you.
Hello. My session, but I just want
I saw you coming.
Henrietta, probably the last one before them Jamaica. Finally.
I'm going to say style, you know. I'm going to say celebrity and style, not joke. Celebrity.
I really come in because I was looking up.
Okay, got me a Kino. Okay. This is a redo.
After all do.
It's all about tomorrow. You don't want to get your bag? I think you took a lot with me, like I did with you. Okay, and it's my fault. I'm gonna send it to you. Wait, I didn't see it was good. No, I'll delete this. Tell me when you don't want to say it. Oh, sorry.
Oh, you want to take it back?
Second Street girl. Yeah. Oh yeah. I thought I gotta get the ground.
That's what I want. Pick up Cassandra, I think was Second Street girl.
Really tall.
I'm not tall, my shoes.
Okay, great.
My shoes, retake.
Oh, retake, yeah. Because there was somebody behind. Wait, I don't know where I'm sitting up here. Okay, that's wait. Oh, what? What on earth? Are you kidding me? Okay, it's my phone. I think I should get. Wait, I'm sorry. There's one more phone. Like that.
Jackson, you don't know. So forward, man. You set up. Kino in Canada, we are going to take care of him and everything, you know?
Yes, sir.
Newman said that. Yeah.
Man, you know everything, though.
Yeah, man, you know everything, though.
It's so sad what happened, you know.
Yeah.
Take a time to rebuild, but you know we'll get it back.
Yeah, for real.
So, you know the work cut out for me down there.
So that's why you see me there tonight. You support. And you know, send out so well for money. One man get 10,000. So you know somebody night with us, brother, 130,000. You see?
Yeah.
You man, you send some money for them, man, right away.
Right away. Hello. Finally.
How are you?
I'm good now.
Great. Oh, nice to meet you.
No. I should have dropped my app and she got back. Yeah. Yes, they have to put it and then she goes yeah, like all the people that...
Taking pictures?
Yeah, want to take a picture?
Okay, she's going to take pictures.
You send me the phone.
And this is Gracie. Thank you.
The manager.
Meet and greet my boss. You don't know a thing, but people in love in Canada. Yeah. People them love the boss in Canada, man.
Greetings from Canada.
Yeah, man.
They all mix.
That's citrine and that's rose and
In the crystals?
Are you?
Yeah. I'm in the crystal. I got my clear quartz here. Because you're shy, some of them look shy.
It's a Kino shot, make him look short.
I'm amongst shy people.
Say never. I see a shot one.
Well, as I said, guys, I'm not that tall. Trust me, never ever that tall. As the shoes.
Happy to see you. Welcome to Canada. And you are doing a good job.
Start to walk back home, you know? Hello.
I'm from Kenya. It's not working. I'm from Jamaica.
Big up Kenya.
Pleasure to meet. Yeah, I was so happy to see you. I should show my friend here.
Yeah. Big up.
Canada.
Finally. Welcome, brother. Yeah, man. I don't want link. I don't want family. I don't want. Ocean.
Yeah, man. Ocean Malcolm, that Kino live in Jamaica.
Okay, yes. Big up Ocean Malcolm here. Yes. Canada. You know, think about helping out Jamaica because the help is needed. So big up Ocean and the whole team, you know? Nothing but love. One team.
One team.
I'm in a link here all the time and I'm here to talk to all the time. Okay. No, man. No, alright. So I'm glad to see you walk out. Hello, Feminine. Look, we have Feminine in the building. So big up, man. I can't tell about like this. Yeah, okay.
So that's how it is. So we have like each one of them. So this is like a full gift set with 6 pieces inside of it. So we have a couple of them. So we know if I can carry them, a couple of them like that.
Okay.
So we have everything inside it. Face wash too, sterilized.
So what's your big?
So you have a hand and body moisturizer. You have a face scrub, like a face wash. You have 2 face cream. 2 type of face cream inside of it, and we have a lip balm and a soap inside of it. Okay, so it's a full set inside of it. So we have a bigger one for you still, like the hand and body. May have one, a big one for you. So I just to see how one, see how one show the kid.
So give them, let them know about your brand, man, and tell them where you can find it.
Alright.
Speak about your brand. Guys, let me say, this is one of our extended family, you know. Are we putting them Adiz 64? Adiz 64, you know. The probably played the name already on my program to give them support. The dream team, you know. So this is a product, you know.
And that's our gift. This is our travel kit. This is the travel side.
In a shopping, you can travel with this.
Yes.
Everything in it. Love this man.
Hi, Cranberry and Sonny. And a dream team.
One team.
One team. Canada with us.
One Kino.
Never two. Never two.
Yeah, man. Like a come on, the right time.
Yes,
all of you. What I'm tearing like this. What I'm tearing. Yeah, we have a camera.
I saw you taking
We have an online store.
I want to take pictures. Is it right? I saw you taking Kino all over the place.
You don't want to picture with me and Kino?
No, I just
This is what our food products do. We have moisturizer, we have a and we have a we have from bamboo, check on the skin, on the slide like and we have a lip balm, we have a bar. And we have the bigger size, if you go in our eyes, like Instagram, we're adding 64. Okay. No, we're online. definitely online. We have location that carry our products, but everything is online. And we're 100% very much so.
Oh, sure. I want to take a picture with you.
In Kensington, using a phone, Kensington Market.
Using a phone.
Actually, I have a guy. I don't know if you know this guy. A guy that's a natural product. Joseph in Kensington. He has a Jamaican restaurant just above him. After him about our product, but he never came up to carry the product. Try.
Can we get a picture? Sure, yeah. Sorry. One love. Thank you so much.
Yeah. So we spoke about the product, so he didn't get back to me and say when I said he liked the product. Yes. There's a store, he sells a lot of natural products. If you know the store, there are a lot of natural stuff.
Let's see if we can get it.
Oh, okay. You know the person operating regarding it?
I think that's it.
437.
Guys, I'm here with Kino, live in Jamaica, in Canada.
We here. So
Yes. Respect.
I'm going to send you a text. Out of many.
One people.
Yes, I know. I see you on Kino you know. I see you pretty much downtown with Kino. You know.
Oh, you see, I know.
Yeah, man.
Officially.
Keep on the PS.
So it's up for who?
Yeah, man. So that's what I was explaining to you. This is the travel size of it. We have the bigger size, like you know.
Hello.
Long meet you.
Finally meet me out, you know.
Subscribe.
Thank you so much. Hello. Big up Jamaica.
Subscribe.
The love is real. You know the love is real. So I say the country will come back strong.
Everything will come back good.
Of course, stronger.
God is real.
Yes, even better. You know.
Yeah. You guys are good. You guys just walked in. Yeah, oh, it's
You can take a pic there.
Yeah, that's cool. You know?
Yep.
But where's your car? I'm looking like down the corner there. Anyway, like I go get it. Come back. All right.
I'm Annette. I'm Annette Pierce. I would like it on Instagram.
You know, so we have to give support.
Because I'm going to Jamaica.
When?
Because my brother did your house stuff and my sister. Yeah, man. I'm so happy to meet you. I'm meeting Kino.
Yeah. Big up sis.
Big up sis. Love me. And my family in Jamaica. love you guys.
I'm shoes are inches and some the car, you know.
And I saw you. I'm a silent watcher.
Okay.
Yes, I really like your thing on IG, but I don't really comment on YouTube, but I'm a silent watcher. So nice seeing you.
Thank you so much. Okay. So guys, so this is what taking place and everything. Yeah, I'm fine, you know. Cause you lost me. Man.
Alright, you man.
Big up. Yes sir. Cool, man. So this is the...
What is this?
That's a camera.
It's a camera.
Me know it's a camera. You want to be on TV?
Yes.
Yeah.
It's for YouTube.
Put me on TV. Send out your love to Jamaica.
Love Jamaica. Where we all build together in unity and love. Peace and love.
There.
Okay, just give me a number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Brush them off. Brush them off.
Guys, so these are all the stuff that was donated. That's heading to Jamaica. You know, General, big up. What parish you from? Clarendon. How bad it was after
Rock River, Clarendon.
Yeah, how bad was it?
Not too bad. They get some picture, not too bad.
Not too bad.
I'm going down day after tomorrow, Saturday.
Okay.
So I was supposed to fly out yesterday, but I get cancelled and I'm glad because I get to put in a day of volunteer work here.
Yes. So
yeah.
It's needed, you know?
Every ounce, every bit needed.
Yeah. So guys, so this is the drop off, you know. This is all the stuff them that received that was donated. That's going in for Jamaica. Boxes of stuff, you know, clothes, shoes, waters, you know, bottle of water, you know, everything. We got barrels. We got barrels as well too. 1, 2, we got barrels, clothes, bags, you know. You name it, everything is here, heading back to Jamaica.
And I don't think they could afford it. So, you know,
Let's go make a next box. Yeah, we have
this one full.
With the food, them will come, man. It can come.
That come?
Make a next box. Yes, Ma? Yeah, leave now, man. When we go in the car, send them away so them no move. Kino from Kino Life in Jamaica.
We're in the building.
Yes,
you know,
we are.
And we have to send the support to the country, Jamaica, the land we love.
Yes.
And we think nothing but love and love alone.
Yes.
Very strong. Yes. You know? That's we.
Yes.
No matter how much time I'm knocked down, come back very strong.
Come back and we'll come back stronger.
Even stronger than before.
Yes, very resilient.
Of course.
Very resilient. Very
even
resilient.
stronger than before.
I'm at 4.
Peas?
Yeah, peas.
4. 4?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4. And one more mac and cheese.
So when will these be shipping off? Let them know.
Soon as possible. Soon as possible. As you can see, stuff keep coming in. As you're standing, you see stuff keep coming in. Containers outside already waiting to
load up, right?
There's stuff loading already. We sent off clothes already. Clothes already went off. Right? So these are now perishables, toiletries, stuff for the kids. Yeah, 2 sugar, gotcha.
Not down campus.
No, don't put the sugar.
Put some light stuff on it.
Light stuff. So open this and spread out. Open this, spread it out on top. Stronger together.
Yes, united we stand.
Divided we
we
fall.
fall. So this is how we are showing how strong we is. So we can, it's a mini barrels as well too. Jamaica, we're stronger. We're stronger. You know? Boxes and boxes. Everything for Jamaica. These ones seal. Are ready, as you can see. Ready to load in the container. Box per box. So it's all boxes and boxes, you know. So here we got what are these?
Yeah, we can do a next
Make a good mix, but they're not doing that.
Because as you can see, more stuff keeps on coming in. More and more stuff keeps on coming in, you know.
We can clean up the pan here.
Want to say Jamaica, we have a lot of things I send for now. Up at the place, we have a lot of things I send for now.
Yeah.
Bread, bean,
straighten up the pan here.
Everything there, juice, everything there.
Variety of stuff.
Soon may I send them. Soon. Case pan case. Cheer like a wow.
Yeah.
Alright, close them.
Guys, as you can see, the work is real. You know? What's happening down there? What's happening over here? Jamaicans are pulling together, you know, to make things work, you know? So, another thing was, guys, I'm here to show my love and my support to you here. So, that's why we're here, you know, to help out our nation, because, boy, it's sad I wasn't there, you know, but I'll be there very soon, to come give my helping hand, you know, because the help is so needed. Trust me. I told him, it's like I'm here, but I'm not here. My heart is here, but it's like it's not here. It's somewhere back home, you know, but just said that everything will work out, you know. Uncle, watch your back.
Give me their social media, man.
Go back over, yes.
They know the damn thing expired. They know.
And the canteen, what is so full already?
That's it.
Yeah, them send off one already. And the one they will load up.
So where can you drop off some stuff?
Huh?
I can come drop off some
Yeah,
stuff?
right
there.
Few in them.
Yes, my king. So, you are message for Jamaica.
Jamaicans, what I say is we're behind you. You're not alone. Let's not think too much about Melissa.
Yes.
It's just a name.
Yes.
And it's gone and gone forever, and it will never come back again. Because we don't want such disasters. Once you're from Africa, Africa will never leave you, nor forsake you. And I say God richly bless each and every Jamaican descendants. God richly bless you. We are behind you. Thank you.
100%.
Okay, look here. King Onambre, please give me your numbers. I'll send the commission to you. Thank you so much. Yeah, no. My king. I went to launch and I have your numbers so I can send you the very nice guys country. Thank you so much. Yes, sir. The last one, please. The last one.
My YouTube channel is Kino Life in Jamaica. That's my Jamaica number.
Yes, that's fine. So I can send you a text message.
Yeah.
Your name?
Kino. K-I-N-O.
K-I-N-O. So we go give me the word. Okay. There's a lot of us lining up. How did she jump the line? She jumped the line. She jumped the line. Yeah, but no. I got it. I've sent you the text message. All right.
All right, Kino, shake up man. I'm going to shake up man. Because the idea we go, I must fight. Oh, I'm going to believe that. I'm going to Kino to come and
one shot.
Yeah. Come on, make some noise. Start dancing. Very good, brother. Somebody's blocking in the back there. We have one
Kino, this is Bob the Great's father. He doesn't know me yet. But Kino, my name is Arbil, Big 7, Big Up Mara, Big Mango, David, everybody over there. Yeah. So when you have my youth now, respect, you have a nice pride, eh? Say hi. This is
Bob's a great father. Yeah. I highly respect, man. I highly respect, you know. So him look so young.
I did that everything. We running like everything. See him like that.
Yeah. How are the women? 9 to 4.
Alright, let me make you meet some Kenny there.
Yeah.
I keep reminding you. See this thing right here?
Young. Yes, sir.
I'm here for fundraising. This man is
so try and see if you can drop something in here.
That's okay though.
Yes, you are.
My name is Jackie Taylor. I'm the Executive Vice President of the Ontario Federation of Labor. What does that mean to you? It means that we represent 54 union affiliates with over 1 million workers. And the reason why I'm here and taking this time is to let you know that we in labor and solidarity with you to ensure that those homes and the work is done in Jamaica, you clap down. So we just want to say thank you, and we stand in solidarity with you, and we're making sure that we support you and stand side by side. I have my colleagues here. You take care.
Bad. Anyways, Arbil from Big 7's promotion. Remember that. That is not the case. I'm not keen on me to my Jamaica.
Many items. So when I call the number, if you have the number,
oh, yeah, me. Cool, man.
I watch Kino 24/7.
Oh, respect.
Alright. President.
Alright. Cool, man. You have to show the love and the support.
Yes, man. Hold on, you in the place,
yeah, man.
Hold on, you came in this.
We've been here about a week now.
Okay.
Some more
a lot of individuals from Jamaica show up right in Canada. Alright, Kino. We have a talk. We have all.
This young man here is called Kino Live from Jamaica. He's a YouTuber from Jamaica. You might have heard.
High Commissioner.
Okay, so I do charity back in Jamaica as well too. Help out less fortunate in and around Trenchtown. Yeah, so it was nice meeting you.
Nice to meet you. All that you were doing.
Yes.
Here now in Canada.
Yeah.
In the back for the date night effect. The winning ticket. 646-289. 646-289. The winners get set. Sorry, the date night for the chunky.
The guys are big up from Jamaica. They suspect this are the baddest way the man in Canada.
Well, we need a link there. We're going to need a link,
yeah? For sure.
You know?
646-259.
Whatever you have to do. You let me know.
646-259 for the chunky necklace.
Tony, come in at the Tony. From Big 7's promotion anyway. This is the one I bought. Big up, man. This man named Cooper. It's Zacchaeus and the like Gregory Isaacs. You know?
It's like foreign Gregory. The only one alive.
And I celebrate the man from back
Canada Isaac.
This man is clean up and say on camera. I love to work with him. He have a wicked tour.
Yeah.
Character and music. Why name again? Tracer.
Okay.
If you have to check him out.
Without the Z.
We don't see nothing.
I said that big zip. Yes, man. Hold him out. I'm here to cover.
Original Nagamari.
Director.
Canada's original body man.
Make some noise
talk about Mr. Tree everywhere. Mike Lee. Canadian promotion business when they really want to get through. All right, go on. What do you think? We will. Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen.
This is Juniper all the way from Toronto. Kino and the crew. Right now the hurricane Melissa. So I'm picking Kino in my place and welcome to Canada. Kino, so you say all about Jamaica. I'm going to back to
Toronto. When I say Steve, what do you say? Mark, Steve! Mark, Steve! Come on! Yes, yeah. Well on there. And looks a poker. Well done, everybody alright? We know it's not the best circumstances right now. If you love Jamaica, make some noise. That not sound right. If you love Jamaica, make some noise. As a matter of fact, everybody, all Jamaicans stand up right now. All Jamaicans stand up right now. Now, if you're a friend of Jamaica, stand up right now. If you're a friend of Jamaica, stand up right now.
I saw you when you go by Niagara Falls. This guy's here.
But we need all the blessings we can get. We need all the blessings we can get. So tonight in a GSCA, we're going to take it to them. Go! Go! Everybody go! Everybody! Go! All right now! If you love the Almighty Father, from ready now. If you love the Almighty Father, come. So the cry, return unto the Lord. Well on man, we say for the love Jamaica, make some noise. We say for the love Jamaica, make some noise. Mr. Monitor, give me some monitor on the stage, please. Ready to again. Everybody, come! Everybody know! 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 Come on! So we not cry, oh Lord, return unto my prayer. From the end of the earth. Sing! And then I'm around. And when my heart is overwhelmed, keep me where He's out of night. Where He's out of night. I want to hear you. Come. For thou was there. In the strong tower, from the enemy. Everybody, that's when my heart is overwhelmed. Lead me to the rock. Well on there. Everybody, I hear the mic. Everybody, I hear my voice. Now go say hello. Hello! Come on! One more time. One more time. Everybody know, from Vevo. But when my heart is overwhelmed, lead me to the rock that is higher than I. All right. That is higher than I. That is higher than I. That is higher than I. Everybody go! Jamaica! 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 Hey! Wow! Give it up for Nagomars. Give it up for Nagomars.
Let me introduce him here.
How that Jamaica big baller is?
Yeah, no, well, he's a big baller. He used to play ball, but he usually play on the bench. He usually play on the bench. But here, this man is an oldie. Just get him oldie in Jamaica. Dr. Silva and the Stamps, one of the biggest pioneer behind this one. And this man is that. Yeah, so very soon he might take away this video and come out there. You can go watch him and subscribe to him. And we never know him. And I like me know him like him know me in that. We just know him because I watch him, see? Yeah. We just know him because I watch him and we know say, yeah, I'm going to get that shout out. So, me want to give this man a roses by your video. This man deserves a red carpet. If this never happened, it would have been with him. I just know him to know. Yeah. Because I'm already happy to do it. Alright? So, that's the man. There's something to Kino, man.
Yeah, man, bless and thanks for the support, thanks for coming and covering our hope for Jamaica that we're doing, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Respect, my respect.
So thanks for the support.
Yes, man.
Just thank you for spreading news, let know we're doing it, scanning and this. We all have relatives and friends in Jamaica.
Yeah.
And we're doing everything that we can to support. And this is only one of such events we have lots more.
Lots more.
Alright? Yeah, man.
You look so much.
Please! Take up! Yo, walk by the family, them good?
Good man, them good.
Okay.
Pick up on yourself, man.
Yeah, man, bless up. One Kino life, man. One Kino on the ground.
Cool, man.
So reaction.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Love for Jamaica.
One Kino life on the ground.
Love for Jamaica, man. Love for Jamaica.
Keep up the good work here, sir.
I have a family like me know the man. Long time.
Maybe you never know. A papi in my come still.
Face of familia still.
Eh?
Face of familia.
Yeah, man, a papi in my come from. Yeah, man, bless up this time.
Yeah, man.
Slow what you do for Cranberry family.
Yeah, man, nothing wrong.
And the rest of the country.
Yes. We have more work to do. We have more work to do.
You know that? We know. Are you on the Kino, man?
Yeah, man, work have to get done, you know? Yes, sir.
come on. Whatever you have, people, just bring it. Don't let them take out my heart and do a collection. And make sugar come preach. Wow, my name's a new music collector. Sugar, come preach now.
We're here from Canberra and family center from here.
Yeah, they're alright.
Okay?
Yeah.
Right. I have something that I would want to send for them, but how do I contact with you together?
You have my number?
Nah.
Take my number. Their phone there?
Nah, put it in.
It's not working. I'm a general. There, man. You good? Yes, I. I'm good, you know. Them good? Yeah, man. Them good.
Keep up the work, man.
Yes, sir. It's a blessing, man, you know?
That's all right.
Alright, big up.
I need it so much. Kino, I need my picture.
Need a picture?
I need my picture, Kino. I sent you the night market thing the other day.
Yeah, man. There we go. Congrats and keep man by phone.
Oh.
But it's you that.
Yeah.
And the bird was nothing.
Yeah.
But you do that one job. Blessed man. I don't know what to see and where.
Where you hide him?
Kelvin and friends hook up.
My YouTube?
Yeah, man.
Kelvin what?
Kelvin and friends hook up.
Okay, see there?
Yeah, man. Bless up, man.
Live in Jamaica. There.
So I'm going back to watching channel, so I make it just pick up and watch more time too. So yeah, miss out on
Greetings, ladies and gentlemen.
Maybe up there, so.
No, I'm leave before it happens.
You leave before it happens. Big things are going on.
Hey, it's one thing. It's when
I'll be there next week.
Big summer promotion.
This one I got a wicked thing in a trench.
We just want each and everyone to just come out abundantly.
The great sugar.
And let me tell you something.
Iron chef.
Not the miners, but the sugar.
No, sugar.
You have the miners.
Just iron chef.
Yeah.
My G-sharp.
Coming through.
You notice the first one.
I was asking why. It was asking JC, ex-president.
Even for the mortgage.
Yeah, man. All of my blessing, brother.
Yeah, man. Respect, man.
And you can come while she's talking. Please feel free. Ladies and gentlemen, coming to the stage, the mayor of her. She's in her city. Mayor Oliver Chuck. Come on, make some noise.
This man, I want to
Let's get the money together. Don't stop getting the money out. Hello, everybody. Look at you. Wow. Look at the crowd. Wow. This is community spirit. This is love. It's one love. My God. People in Jamaica are feeling it. Look at all of you. Wow. More money. Just keep it going. Let me tell you, it is so beautiful to be here with you, feeling the energy, feeling the generosity. Yeah, you know, Melissa is powerful, but the Jamaican community in Toronto is even more powerful. Yeah, look at all of you. Let me tell you, last weekend, I was down in Little Jamaica on Ekington Avenue. I saw this very small person, not very big, even like about my size. Yes, keep the money going. And coming, keep the money coming. Coming to go there, yes. And I saw this fellow, not very big, holding a gigantic blue barrel. The barrel is about this size. I said, what the heck are you doing with that big barrel? You know what that big barrel is supposed to do? Yeah, it was going in, and I went over to see where I picked up some good Jamaican patties, but not far from it, there was a center where so much stuff, and all within one day, many barrels were filled with food, with cans of food, with, sanitary items, hygiene items, and people were coming with donations non-stop. And these young people were sorting them, putting it packed in the barrel over and over again. Now, but that place was very small. Okay, very small. It was too small. It was packed with people. And guess what? Now, you can bring all your donations to the City of Toronto fire halls, because yes, the police and the fire and everybody is coming in. Michael Thompson has been bringing them together. Thank you. Councillor Michael Thompson, are you here by any chance? No? He is having a press conference tomorrow, and he wants me to tell you that together with the Council General of Jamaican Canada, Jamaican Canadian Association, Toronto Fire, Toronto Police, local business including Atlantic Package and Bedazi Imports, they are opening up 12 fire halls in the city of Toronto. So donate there. And if you don't have time to go over to the fire hall, if you don't have the 20 bucks or the 50 bucks or the 100 bucks that you want to put in here, you can donate online. The city of Toronto has set up something for you to donate online. Donate TO Porno. Okay? You can go to toronto.ca and find the Donate TO Portal, and we will securely transfer your money to the right place, to the government of Jamaica's hurricane relief efforts. The city of Toronto is backing you because of your incredible work. You are not alone. Your mayor is with you. The city of Toronto is with you because we believe that we are a caring city. Let's do this. Let's show our love to people in Jamaica because time is tough there, but we can do it. We can do it together. So have a fabulous evening. It's so wonderful to see you, and just keep the money coming. Thank you so much, everyone.
You're Kino from the video.
Yeah.
Can I take a picture?
Yeah.
You take a picture for me? Sure. Hold on, Francis. You want to take the picture?
945-2437. The winning ticket is...
You spot me, she spot me.
262-157.
Hello.
Hi, Mr.
Stop. I should take this off.
All right. Give them a round of applause, all the people who've been putting in the raffle tickets, because that is a part of the fundraising effort too, you know. We have to sweeten the pot to make sure you and the Oliver Samuels has formed an Oliver Samuels Foundation.
All right, one more, because
we were supposed to have the launch November 4th, and we moved it to April. But Oliver confirmed by phone. See the pink? Yes, pink money segment. Don't forget. Thank you, sir. Good. Oliver Samuels confirmed by phone that through his foundation, he wants to donate in this effort tonight $500 Canadian dollars. So give the Oliver Samuels Foundation and Oliver Samuels, our cultural icon, a round of applause. Now, we're going to bring the man to the stage. You hear him on the floor. He's on Sunday. Alamana Sunday. The one and the only. The one and the only. He is fresh off the Jam Rock Reggae Cruise. And you knew he could not miss this for anything. You know who we're talking about?
Title because this is too big.
Hello. I'm Marsha. Hello, Marsha. Say hello.
You gotta talk about it. You know Jamaican people. They go out like they can't hear. I know you're talking to them already, but I didn't see you talk to them. So let them know because this is extremely important. And the High Commissioner inside the place. Everybody give her a round of applause.
Thank you.
I don't know how I'm gonna get back on.
So don't shine bright. And I say greetings in the name of the Most High. And that's the first. Jah Rastafari. And I say to the people there, more love and more life and more prosperity. Yes, enough from art. See, diaspora and Jamaicans in the day. And I say, dig up on yourself. See, kick it.
I want to show him. Yeah. They can also see you.
Oh, y'all give me money? Hold on, the targeted. All right, ladies and gentlemen, proceeds from Comfort Gourmet Snacks. I'm going to make the number speed box right now. The number 9, 4, 5, 2, 7, 0.
Yeah. All right. Yeah, things. So you just deal with them. Yeah. Tell me if you can carry them. If you can't carry them, you know. Yeah, man. All right, so all right, so big up here. Yeah, man. Respect my brother. All right, yeah, so take care of me.
Yeah, and safe journey.
All right. Where's that? Outside. So what's that? Where do you know? That's it in general. Follow. Your thing, you know. Yeah. You know. Cool, man. So I want love, man. That's good to see the eyes still, you know. Cool, man. I want love every time, you know. That's one nation, one heart, you know. Man and general. Enough heart is there. So this event how we're going to do, when you go out, you're gone still, downtown where I do this, you know, so it's not when they're here, but we're doing the event downtown Toronto. Yeah. I send you the thing on your WhatsApp though. Yeah, convention center.
Kino, tell them where you're free though.
Yeah.
Tell them where you're free.
Good man, big up man. I love your pre-board.
Watch your thing, man.
Yes, man.
Manners and respect, and welcome to T-Dot.
Yes.
Never stop at the 6.
Yeah. I love, man.
Yeah, man.
I love, man.
Alright?
Yeah, man.
There you go.
Alright, and that we are pre-board.
Mickey in New York, I watch your TikTok.
Oh?
Mickey in New York, I'm big up Waterhouse, our place.
Yeah.
Loud, yeah?
Out.
I bust a crown.
Alright then, cool, no? Yeah, man, so the convention center, South Building, 222, what the number hours that follow me, you know, so Brennan Boulevard, Toronto. Right, just come and support the thing.
Yeah, man, ID 64, skincare, 64.
Yeah.
ID 64, the convention center, downtown Toronto, the 21st or the 23rd. Come see us.
Alright, I love man, that's guidance. Yeah?
What's up, brother?
Alright, General, you know the thing going on.
Yeah, man.
Love and love every time.
I don't know things set.
There's one new man, it's never old man.
Yeah.
The same one.
Straight.
You see me, I say brand new one too. You know the thing
mash up, can't steal, can't dead.
Alright.
Merciless pan them.
Yeah, cause it's always new, it's never
Warren.
old.
Big up Warren anyway, when we say Warren, they've been big.
Yeah, merciless.
Find out my place, you know. And I said, Jaja God. I tell you sometime when they are clean and I tell you some people didn't know I said God no.
Yeah, you know, but you know,
soldier,
you know the thing about life today, tomorrow you know what happened, you know. Hello, bye.
So I'm gonna call you.
All right. Yeah,
I'm
man.
gonna call you. Go to Pickering's.
All right,
my friend's restaurant.
All right, then.
No.
Yeah, man. No.
Huh?
No.
Mr. Delicious.
Tonight?
Huh?
Tonight?
No.
Oh,
I'm
tomorrow.
gonna take him before he leaves.
Okay.
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no.
Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. It's gonna be a better end.